Hey, Auntie Bev here with a little word definition quiz. So, do you know the definition of this word? Turgid. Does it mean to make trouble? Complex, difficult to understand, or easily scared? The answer is complex, difficult to understand. Using it in a sentence, I would say, the author's book was so turgid, I stopped reading it after 10 pages. Or how about this word? Temerity. Does it mean boldness, excitable, or to disable? The answer is boldness. Using it in a sentence, I would say, every time the football player stepped on the field, he played with temerity. So did you get those word definitions correct? Auntie Beth wants to know.